Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caesar salad dressing without anchovies. We'll achieve that classic savory, umami flavor using clever substitutes. You'll need fresh garlic, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, and a good quality olive oil. For that signature tang and depth, we'll incorporate Worcestershire sauce and capers. The base will be wonderfully creamy, ensuring a rich and satisfying dressing for your salad. To craft the creamy base, begin by whisking 1 large egg yolk or 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1 clove of minced garlic. Gradually, over several minutes, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Whisk continuously during this process. This careful emulsification is key to achieving that perfectly thick, smooth, and luxurious texture that defines a great Caesar dressing. Now, let's boost that umami and flavor profile without any anchovies. Add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. It provides a fantastic savory depth. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped capers, which deliver a briny punch similar to anchovies. Finally, incorporate about 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. This brightens the entire dressing, balancing the richness and creating that irresistible Caesar tang. For the finishing touches, always taste your dressing and adjust seasonings as needed. You might want to pinch more salt, freshly ground black pepper, or an extra squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. This dressing is best served immediately over crisp romaine lettuce, topped with crunchy croutons and generous shavings of Parmesan cheese. Any leftover dressing can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.